Instead of Caloocan, we go to an SM na lang, mama. Because ano na sila, nakabihis na sila, mama. Hindi ko na mabawi, mama. Tina, where is my shoes daw, mama? Oh. Oh.
No, mommy, my shoes.
You don't have shoes. Oh my God, where is your shoes? Oh, you don't have shoes. I need to find it. I need to find, where is it? Ah, there is your shoes.
Yeah. Mama, put it there.
Is that your shoes or sandals?
Sandals.
Ah, sandals. Okay, mama.
Okay, mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
But how about your, here? I want to put a
Yuck.
tie because you look,
Pretty?
no,
Yuck.
ugly. You look ugly because of your hair.
Hmm?
Your hair is covered to your eyes. It's not good looking.
Yuck. My eyes.
Yeah.
I see. I see, mommy.
Okay, I need... Mama, oh, ang ganda-ganda ng aming tabing bing. Mama, oh. Hi, Mary Grace.
The people is here. Mommy, the people is here.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Hello.
Yan na sila. Nandito na kami sa SMO. Gusto nilang maglaro. Diyan lang kami sa labas maglaro. Dito na kami. Ayun, oh. Shopping.
Hindi po ito may kitsuna.
Sila. Ayun si ate, oh. Ayun si ate. Go! Haya. Haya, haya. Ayun si ate, oh.
I am winner.
Iwanan natin yan? Oh. Sige, iwanan natin. Iwanan mo. Grace, no! Uy, makabasag ka. No, no. No? Wala man tayong bibilhin.
Ano to, me? Alcohol?
Kulon. Uy! No!
Ano to? Ano to?
I don't know.
Ano to? Ano to?
Tara na, tara. I will go now. Bye-bye. Nakangita ito yung gulo-gulo. Oh. Digo. Sino magulo?
Ako. Ako.
Magulo silang dalawa yan, oh. Mama, oh. Magulo silang dalawa.
Bye-bye.
Kaya uwi na kami.
Mommy, here's this.
Be careful, ha? Oh. Be careful, ate. Grace. Grace.
A big electric fan. Mommy.
What? Opo. Where? Here.
Here. I want this one.
How many tokens? 3. Oh. Ate!
Hi! Movie! Ate, ano?
Sige na. Na. Wow! Wow! Oh my God, Mama! Oh. Oh. Oh, Mama, oh. Are you happy? Happy? Tuwa sila, pinapalaro ko. Ayun. Oh. Ayun! Oh, ayun si ate, oh. Ayun, Mama, oh. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Wow! You're a good driver, ah. You're a good driver? Ah? You're a good driver? You're a good driver, oh. Ate also. Palit sila, oh. Wala na? Meron pa. Ano pa si ate, oh. Ayun si Grace, oh. No more na? No more money na, mami. O, tara na. Oh. Picture na lang. Oy, hoy! Chaka-chaka chuchu. Ayan, chaka-chaka chuchu daw. Chaka-chaka chuchu. Sabi niya. Hoy, hoy, hoy! Lang pala eh. Wala na. Wala na eh. Ayan lang ayaw ko sa inyo eh. Pag pumunta kayo dito eh. Mary Grace, where are you going? Nandito kami sa SM. Pupunta kasi kami dapat ng Caloocan, hindi kami natuloy. So, sunduin sana namin yung pinsan niya. Oy, si Mary Grace! Maglaro talaga siya doon. Mama, oh, gustong-gusto niyang pumasok sa loob. Ayun, Mama, oh.
Bibi, okay, chuchu na lang.
Umiyak na yan, oh. Umiyak na. Oh, ayaw niya yan. Ayaw niya sumakay. Di, Ayaw niyang sumakay doon, mama. Gusto niya dito, mama. Paano gagawin ko? Ayan, oh. Oh! Ang usapan natin, hindi tayo papasok dito eh.
Ma-fingerprint ako, ma'am. Isang daliri 5 beses po.
Isang daliri.
Apo, 5 beses. Last two. Last two, ma'am. Last one. Ma'am, change niyo po, 550. 450 po lahat, ma'am. Kasama ko lang.
I want this one.
Baka masaktan ka sa... Ma'am, baka masaktan siya sa medyas. May sugat.
Oo nga eh. Paano ba yan? Hindi siya pwedeng hindi magmigas. Bibi!
Saks muna, saks. Try natin, ha? Up, dahan-dahan. Third?
No?
Okay?
Ayun na, hindi na mapigilan. Oh. Okay lang daw siya. Hindi na mapigilan.
Hindi na ako naririnig, ma'am.
Oh. Bantayan mo siya, tabing bing ha.
Ilagay mo pa ang rito. Kunyari kakain ka. Kain ka. Ano gusto mo?
Asa si tabing bing? Ayun si tabing bing.
Ano gusto mo?
Ayun si tabing bing. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Ayun siya, oh, 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 oh. Busy na siya, mama. Ayun si ate, oh. Mm. What is that, Mary Grace?
Itong isda ka.
And the bag.
Kikiki. Mami, parehas ng bag mo. Ha? Wala namang hangin eh. What if I die? Tuto? Kunyari lang.
Ano ba? Alikabok yan eh. What is that, Mary Grace? It's a bag. It's a small bag.
Trofeo.
Hi.
Flowers.
No, you don't remove. Oh, what is that? Lemon? Lemon.
Here we go to
Hindi mapalitan ng pera ang saya nila, oh.
nowhere. Down, down.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Ayaw.
Where is Ate?
Mami, ako yung taga-makeup. I just like this one. Go now. Ayaw. Ayaw. Only time. You want to make up? No, don't use it. Okay. Let's go.
It's a car? Car.
The excavator.
The excavator.
How to put it? Hello. Some makeup. What you want to do?
You close the door.
Open.
Yeah.
Open. Excavator. Like
What is that? Huh? Huh? What is that?
I cleaned this. The egg. salamin ko dito.
What will you do, Mary Grace?
Gosh, the eggs.
You can put the eggs.
Too many eggs.
Too many eggs.
Wait, why there's an egg here? It's super. Baby. Ano? Totoo ba? Hala, akala ko totoo. Mama, totoo yan. Lagay ko itong stopper. Yes. Hello. Ah! Sit down here, oh. Sit down here. Okay. Go that way. Go that way. I want to go that way. Oh. Saan ko ba ito? Cray.
Ayan sila, oh. Nasa likod ko, oh. Hello, hello. Naglaro yung mga kids namin, oh.
Cake kayo. Gusto nyo? Wala kayo eh.
Eh, yung isa, oh. Lagi siyang nandyan sa bahayan na yan, oh. May mga Barbie kasi dyan. Yan siya, oh.
Hey, Mommy!
Bata namin nandoon pa rin siya sa bahay-bahay na yan, oh. Kanina pa talaga yan siya. Yan, oh. Yung mga Barbie kasi dyan. Hoy! Hoy! Ha? Hello! Ayan na naman siya, oh. Balik na naman siya dyan. Yan si Ate, oh. What is that, Mary Grace? Huh? What is that? Ah, the chair. Are you happy? You're happy. Mm-hmm. You don't want to go out?
I want to go candy.
naman siya. Balik na naman siya dyan. Hoy, anong ginawa mo dyan?
Linis.
Linis? Ay, oo nga, nilinis niya, oh. Yan, may TV pa sila dito. Yan. Oh.
Kanina ganito, nakalapag yan dito ngayon nilinis. Wag yawin!
Yan, oh, may upuan sila dyan, mga maliit. Yan. Tapos,
Bisita ko to si
ayan.
Mami.
Ayan, may TV sila, oh.
Hindi ko lang yan inun kasi malulugot.
Ano sabi mo? Bisita mo ako, ayan yung kusina nila, oh. Ang ganda ng ano nila.
Kusina, ito sala.
Ito sala daw.
Yan, madami akong snacks na
Ngayon, uwi na tayo kasi oras na. Bye-bye. Uwi na kami. You can go home now.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. Oh, you can stay there.
No, leave me.
Ha?
Leave me. You 10 pesos.
Sa nanay niyo, oh.
Saan kaya ako?
Hoy!
Doon dyan.
Dito.
Market.
Oh. Go put your coin in there.
Get na.
Oh, ayun na yun. You can get it.
Why I have to put with my knife? Hala, it's broken. Hala.
Bubble gum, ha?
Ayun na.
Ilan? What a clue! Yay! I have 3.
Go, tara na. Let's go. Are you done? Ha? Hi. Let's go.
Ulit 5, ma'am. Para may 5 na rin. Oh, excuse mo na.
Excuse.
Ikaw, makulit ka na agad.
Excuse.
Thank you.
Don't run, ha? Don't run, Mary Grace. Come here na, let's go. Let's go. I told you, don't run. Ha? No?
Picture tayo dun niyo.
Ayaw.
Picture.
Si ate, ayan, masaya na sila. Oo. Gumastos si mami ng di oras sa inyo. Mary Grace, ah. Ay. Basta ate ba, pasaway. Ayan silang dalawa, o pasaway. Ayan po ang SM. Uwi na po kami. Meron dyan. tayo. Uwi na kami. Ayan yung labasan ng SM.
I want this one.
Yes.
Please. There is it. Look at this. Look, look, look.
Yung bata, oh. Ang bata mo, mama, oh. Ang kulit, oh.
Ito. Ito ako. Ito.
Opo.
Akin. Asan? Kutsara.
It's yummy. It's yummy, Mary Grace.
Yummy.
It's yummy.
It is yummy.
Oh, it's yummy.
It is bad. Okay. I'm in it. Sunday, guys. Para siyang honey. Sunday. Time. No, it's not
Ay.
night time.
Ito po yung SM. Ayan ang SM yan. Pauwi na kami. Kumain na kami ice cream sa labas. Bye-bye. Ayun, oh. Bata, oh. It's yummy. Ha?
I'm too sleepy.
It's yummy ice cream.